The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, often referred to as the Pacific Trash Vortex, is a vast area of marine debris located in the north-central Pacific Ocean. It is not a solid mass of trash, but rather a collection of plastic and other debris that is dispersed across a large area. This accumulation primarily results from human activity and has significant implications for marine ecosystems, wildlife, and human health. The patch is situated roughly between 135 degrees to 155 degrees longitude and 35 degrees to 42 degrees latitude. It is part of the North Pacific Gyre, one of the 5 major ocean gyres that circulate ocean currents. The gyre's circular motion traps debris in its center, leading to the formation of this garbage patch. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch contains an extensive array of marine debris, with plastic being the predominant material. Estimates indicate that approximately 80% of the debris originates from land-based sources, while the remaining 20% comes from maritime activities such as fishing and shipping. Small plastic particles less than 5 millimeters in size, which result from the breakdown of larger plastic items or are manufactured as microbeads used in cosmetics and personal care products. Larger items such as bottles, bags, fishing gear, and other discarded materials that can take hundreds to thousands of years to decompose. A mixture of various chemicals and pollutants that accumulate in ocean waters. Organic materials and industrial waste also contribute to the patch's complexity. Determining the exact size of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is challenging due to its dynamic nature. Estimates suggest it covers an area ranging from 700,000 square kilometers, about twice the size of Texas, to potentially millions of square kilometers when considering lower concentrations of debris. The distribution is highly variable. While some areas have dense concentrations of microplastics, others may have comparatively less debris. Most debris consists of small plastic particles suspended at or just below the surface, making them difficult to detect with satellite imagery or aerial surveys. Researchers often rely on sampling methods to gauge concentrations within specific areas. The presence of such a vast amount of plastic waste poses significant threats to marine life. Marine animals often mistake plastic for food. Ingesting plastics can lead to malnutrition, internal injuries, or even death. Larger pieces of debris can entangle marine animals such as turtles, seabirds, and seals, leading to injury or drowning. Plastics can absorb harmful chemicals from seawater, which may then enter the food chain when consumed by marine organisms. Additionally, these impacts can ripple through ecosystems and affect human health through seafood consumption. Efforts for cleanup and mitigation. Recognizing the severity of this environmental issue has led to various initiatives aimed at addressing the problem. Organizations like the Ocean Cleanup are conducting research expeditions to better understand the patch's composition and dynamics while developing technologies for removing debris. Countries are increasingly implementing policies aimed at reducing single-use plastics and improving waste management practices. Educational efforts are being made globally to raise awareness about plastic pollution's impact on oceans and encourage responsible consumer behavior. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch serves as a stark reminder of humanity's impact on marine environments. Addressing this crisis requires collective action from individual behavioral changes regarding plastic use to global policy initiatives aimed at reducing waste. As research continues and awareness grows, there is hope for mitigating this environmental challenge and protecting our oceans for future generations.